Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials: your exact in-game name, player tag, and the device you last played on. Once done, locate receipts, Google Play or Apple ID info, and any purchase dates because these prove ownership. Make sure to grab the device ID or ads ID and a screenshot of the profile if available. This is the first actionable step. With these items in hand, you can file a precise recovery request and avoid delays in verification. You now contact Supercell support through the in-game help and support or the Supercell ID website, start a ticket and be concise. Provide the player tag, clan name, town hall level, builder base details, and dates of recent purchases, these specific speed verification. Attach receipts, screenshots, and the device ID. Explain recent activity like last login or troop upgrades to confirm you as owner. Once submitted, watch for reply emails and be ready to answer follow-up verification questions quickly. You finish by following the support agent's instructions exactly. Accept Supercell ID prompts, confirm any email links, and perform requested actions on the original device if possible. If you don't hear back, reply within 24 to 48 hours with the same documentation and a brief clarification. Persistence matters without extra noise. If verification fails, try signing in on a different device, clear the app cache, or resend clearer receipts and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.